Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is and today we are going to start our activity number 2. Write the numbers in tens and ones. You will start from the right side. The number written on the right side is ones and the second number with the ones is tens. You will write tens in the first box and ones in the second box. Here 7 is the ones. You will write it in the second box and 1 is tens, you will write in the first box. Now second one, 53. 3 is the 1 and 5 is 10. You will write 5 in the first box, ones, 3 in the second box. 45. 5 is ones and 4 is tens. You will write 4 in tens box and 5 in ones box. 99. First one is ones and second one is tens. 9 in tens box and second 9 in ones box. In this way you will complete this activity. Now we are going to start our activity number 3. Change the expanded form into standard form. Also write the standard form in words. You can see in question number 1, standard form, expanded form and words. Question is 43. What is the expanded form of 43? 40 plus 3. And spelling of 43, F-O-R-T-Y, 40 and 3. In this way you have to complete this activity. For example, 20 plus 7, what will be the expanded form of 20 plus 7? 27. And how we will write in the words? 27. Next one, 80 plus 1. The standard form of 80 plus 1 is 81. How we will write it in words? E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 O-N-E-1 81. Next one is 60 plus 9. The standard form of 60 plus 9 will be 69. S-I-X-T-Y 60 N-I-N-E 9 69. Next one is 30 plus 4. Standard form of 30 plus 4 will be 34. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30 F-O-U-R 4 34. In this way you will complete this activity. Now we are going to start our activity number 3. Count the tens and ones. Write how many. You have to count the tens and ones. 1 tens, 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. Total will be 13. In the second one, 1, 2, 3, 3 tens and 1 ones. It will become 31. Next, 1, 2, 2 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 ones. It will become 26. Now in the next portion, 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 0 ones because there is no 1. So the answer will be 30. 2 tens, 1, 2 and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Total will be 28. Last one, 1 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Total will be 14. Now we are going to start activity number 4. Place value hundreds, tens and ones. This portion is of hundreds, tens and ones. For each integer, write the numbers of hundreds, tens and ones present. First question, 685. As you know, we will start it from the right side. Ones, tens and hundreds. So 6 hundreds, you will write 6 here. 8 tens and 5 ones. 5 here. Second question, ones, tens hundreds. 100, 9 tens and 7 ones. Third question, 700, 1 tens and 8 ones. Now fourth question, 400, 6 tens and 3 ones. Last question, 200, 7 tens and 8 ones. Write the equivalent number. 300, 4 tens and 2 ones. You have to write down only these numbers. 3, 4, 2. 3, 4, 2. 300, 4 tens and 2 ones. Next question, 900, 6 tens and 2 ones. 9, 6, 2. 900, 6 tens and 2 ones. Next question, 700, 9 tens and 3 ones. 7, 9, 3. 700, 9 tens and 3 ones. 600, 2 tens and 5 ones. 6, 2, 5. 600, 2 tens and 5 ones. Last question, 400, 2 tens and 9 ones. 4, 2, 9. 400, 2 tens and 9 ones.